चैनल। सो आज के वीडियो में मैं करने जा रही हूँ एक कफ्स एंड लैशेस मेकअप हॉल। आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम कफ्स एंड लैशेस एंड आई कांट वेट टू शेयर इट विद यू गाइज। इसमें काफी सारे अफोर्डेबल मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स भी है। सो आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉय वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। इफ यू आर न्यू हियर, मेक श्योर you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button right next to it and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram and we are super close to hitting 200,000 on the channel. I'm so excited. So अगर आपने subscribe नहीं किया है, please subscribe and yeah, we'll just get started. The first few products are actually Cuffs and Lashes के खुद के brand के products. So you guys know that Nidhi Katiyar, who is also YouTuber, she is the owner of Cuffs and Lashes, and they actually launched makeup brushes, makeup brush holder, and 2 eyeshadow palettes that I'm so excited to show you guys. मुझे इतनी रिक्वेस्ट आई थी कि क्यों अभी तक आपने उनके बारे में बात नहीं की, क्या आपकी निधि के साथ लड़ाई हो गई, इतना कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल नहीं हुआ था। एक्चुअली उसके बाद सब कुछ आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया था बिकॉज हर प्रोडक्ट्स आर सो फ्रिकिंग अमेजिंग। आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू निधि। So yeah, she just couldn't give it to me on time and everything was out of stock. So as soon as she got another batch, उन्होंने मुझे सारे products दे दिए. So yeah, I have everything for you guys. The first thing that I'm super excited to talk about are the makeup brushes and the makeup brush holder. So this is the makeup brush holder and ये actually अभी तक launch नहीं हुआ है, like this particular color. So I'm the first person who has this color. This particular color will launch in the coming week along with the rest of the brush holders. Everything went out of stock super quick. So this is their brush holder. This is humongous and it is of really good quality. यहाँ पे Cuffs and Lashes का logo भी है. I really like ये जो mint green color है and उनके पास black भी है, which I think I'm gonna get later. So yeah, you just have to open it यहाँ से. इसका ये जो material का quality है, it is really good and I'm super impressed by the quality. This brush holder retails for 950 rupees, which I think is pretty decent considering इसका size इतना बड़ा है. You can actually carry your makeup brushes in this when you're traveling, या फिर आप इसको ब्रश होल्डर की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हो ऐसे करके. So if you just keep them on your vanity or wherever you keep your makeup, I think this will look super cute. So yeah, I really like the whole concept of brush holders ऐसे करके जो multi-purpose होते हैं. And इसके अंदर of course I kept all of my Cuffs and Lashes के brushes. I use the foundation brush, the concealer brush and their powder brush. Oh, also the contour brush. So I pretty much used all of the face brushes today and I really liked it. So ये जो इनका face brush है, it's a bit slanted. Can you guys see? I really like this foundation blending brush just because इसका ये जो slant है ना, it just makes the process of blending super easy and इससे बिल्कुल भी streaky नहीं लगता foundation. A lot of brushes leave streaks on your face जब आप अपना foundation blend करोगे. इससे बिल्कुल भी वो streaky effect नहीं लग रहा था and it blended my foundation so beautifully and ये ना कोने कोने में चला जाता है. So I really like this. The concealer brush is F11 and I really like the concealer brush also because again ये ना बिल्कुल कोने कोने में जाके blend कर देता है. So when I applied concealer and I blended it यहाँ से, it just gave me an even more brightening effect because not all brushes have this pointy thing, right? Like it's slanted, so it's just super easy to blend. I really like this concealer brush a lot. Then they have this powder brush and again very fluffy powder brush. It's not dense, तो बहुत easily ना मेरा face set हो गया. Really enjoyed using this. And then of course we have the contour brush. Now मेरे को इतने पतले contour brush use करने की आदत नहीं है because I generally use a bit fluffy brush to just bronze up my face. But yeah, I did contour using this and you can see like my contour is pretty sharp today. So अगर आपको वो sharp look पसंद है, like you want a good chiseled contour look, you can definitely go for this. And then they have so many eye brushes and then a highlighter brush, a little highlighter brush also, and again a complete set of eye brushes, everything that you could need, like an applicator, an angle brush, then so many blending brushes. So I think that this is a very nice overall complete set and अगर आप beginner हो तो आपको ये बहुत useful रहेगा. The second thing are Cuffs and Lashes eyeshadow palette and also a blush contour palette. This also I think has eyeshadow. The first palette and I'm so happy, like I was the first person I think जिसको निधि ने ये दिखाया था and I was shook because it just made me super happy that Cuffs and Lashes have really amped up their game, you know. मतलब उनके products का quality, everything has changed and I am in love with it. So the first is That's So Me eyeshadow palette. Can you see that glossy finish? I really like the green. Like मुझे नहीं लगा था कि मुझे ऐसा green पसंद आएगा, but ये जो green का glossy finish है, it is super nice. Also, I want to talk about the packaging because guys, this is like wood. Like, can you hear that? Like, it is of such good quality. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Here you go. You will get so many beautiful shades. Can you guys see that? So you have like purples, blues, you have greens, and then you have some reds. ये palette ना mainly एक matte palette है, but it does have like 3 or 4 satin shades, like shimmer satin type of shades. एक ये है, it's called Spicy, then Calm, then Furious. So like there are 3-4 shades, but otherwise it's an overall matte palette. And these are like some of the swatches, a pink, a purple, and this nice electric blue. So these are buildable and ये काफी अच्छे से blend हो जाते हैं. So I think for 9.99 a 32 color eyeshadow palette is a good deal. The next palette that they launched is called the You Make Me Blush, Contour and Highlight Eye and Face palette. This is what the outer packaging looks like. And again ये ऐसे ही खुलता है, दोनों साइड में आपको कलर्स मिलेंगे. So you will get eye shadows यहाँ पे, and then of course you will get face products as in blush, highlighter, bronzer. Then there is a shimmer bronzer. The blush is actually really pigmented, you guys. Like, can you see दोनों blushes कितने ज़्यादा pigmented है. And I really like ये जो contour bronzer type के shades है, because these are not too muddy या फिर बहुत warm tone के नहीं है. So a really nice versatile palette, and this retails for 950 rupees. The next thing that I got is this Eye Magic का professional sponge. इसका जो shape है ना, it's really interesting. So you have this flat shape यहाँ पे, and then of course you have the round butt which is also a little flat actually. So yeah, the shape is really interesting. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft है. So I know कि once I run it under water ये काफ़ी अच्छे से expand हो जाएगा. मैंने इसको अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है, but I've heard really good things about this. So मैं इसको यूज़ करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ. As always मेरे पास काफ़ी सारा सामान है from Swiss Beauty. I really like Swiss Beauty and उनके products. So Swiss Beauty actually launched their Ultra Blush palette. This is what it looks like. मैं इसको try करने के लिए बहुत excited थी. You guys know I really love blushes these days. This is in the shade 02 and this retails for 499 rupees, and you get 6 beautiful blushes, contour, and then 2 highlighters. ये दोनों highlighters है, ये दोनों contour है, and of course all of these are blushes. And I really like the formula, you guys. Like, this is super buttery and just बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है. It's pigmented but it's not like कि blend नहीं होगा. So that is one thing that I really appreciate. मुझे ना बहुत overly pigmented blushes नहीं पसंद. Even this highlighter, it's not bad. Like, it's not like crazy blinding or anything. Another palette that I got is actually an eye and face palette. This is what it looks like. It's called the Swiss Beauty Cheeks and Eye palette. Here you go. This is in the shade 06 and this retails for 549 rupees, which I think is an amazing deal. यहाँ पे देखो आपको कितने सारे आई shadows मिलेंगे, and oh my god, ये mostly metallic eye shadows है. Then you get this gold thing. Is that a highlighter? This is also like a shimmer blush, and then of course you have this bronzer. Now this is a muddy bronzer. Like, I know कि this will not look very good on me. बहुत flattering नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि ये ना वो chocolatey color का जो होता है ना वो अच्छा नहीं लगता. But dude, like this thing right here, oh my god, like this will look so good. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, I really like ऐसे जो bronzy shades होते हैं. Now I can't use this as a highlighter, but I might just use it as a blush or a blush topper. And again, this I think will make such a good blush topper क्योंकि again it's like very shimmery. Can you see that? Nice. ये तो बहुत ही सुंदर लगेगा. Now again the eyeshadows look amazing and I know कि इनके eyeshadows अच्छे होंगे. मैंने कभी भी Swiss Beauty के बुरे eyeshadows try ही नहीं किए. Can you guys see that crazy pigmentation? Swiss Beauty never disappoints me with their pigmentation, the overall quality of their products. I feel कि affordable range में they have some of the best products. I got more things from Swiss Beauty. So you guys know मुझे Swiss Beauty के metal eyeshadows बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है, and they launched a new shade. So this is what it looks like. This is in the shade, I don't know, 8 I think, yeah, 8. This retails for 199 rupees, but आपको डिस्काउंट में 150 तक का ये मिल जाएगा. And oh my god, look at this shade, you guys. Can you guys see? Oh yes, I want to do a smoky eye look now and I want to use this because imagine like a nice blown out smoky eye and ये पूरे lid में, oh my god, what a vision. I'm gonna do it next time. This never disappoints me and one of the best liquid eyeshadows that I've used. Then she also gave me a kajal. This is what it looks like, and she told me कि this is pigmented. It's not overly pigmented, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a black kajal. This retails for 199 rupees. Again a decent price. मुझे बहुत ना ऐसे hard kajals नहीं पसंद क्योंकि you guys know I like to smoke out my lower lash line. तो ये creamy है तो मुझे पता है ये मैं जब lower lash line पे लगाऊंगी then I can blend it. Next she gave me a liquid liner. So I am not the biggest fan of liquid liners. मैं इतना liquid liner use नहीं करती, but कभी कभार मेरा मन करता है कि मैं थोड़ा wing liner लगा लूँ या कुछ ऐसा कर लूँ. मतलब मेरे पास कोई भी अच्छा liner नहीं है. This is the swatch and the tip is actually very nice. It's stiff but soft at the same time, so बहुत ही precise एक ऐसे आप wing लगा सकते हो. This retails for 350 rupees, which I think is a little steep for a Swiss Beauty eyeliner. Right, a very random thing that I got, okay, is the Swiss Beauty Glow Prep Set spray. This is for face and body, basically a highlighting spray. मैंने इसको ना properly use नहीं किया, मैंने इसको थोड़ा अपने legs में ऐसे ही लगाया था and it gave me a very nice subtle glow. ऐसे shimmery मुझे effect पसंद नहीं है कि ऐसे glitter दिखे आपके पैर में, बहुत ही अजीब लगता है. So I really like इसका वो nice एक misty effect है and it just gives you that glow. And इसका ये जो spray है ना, it's like very nice. It's not ऐसे फवारे की तरह नहीं निकलता आपके फेस में. आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना यूज दिस व्हेन आई वेयर एन ऑफ शोल्डर टॉप और समथिंग लाइक दिस जिसमें मेरे कॉलर बोन्स दिख रहे हैं. आई थिंक वो फिर कैमरा में बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. ओके, बिफोर आई एंड दिस वीडियो आई वांटेड टू शो यू गाइस 2 आई शैडो पैलेट्स एंड उसमें से एक मेरा बर्थडे गिफ्ट है. सो निधि आस्क्ड मी व्हाट आई वांट फॉर माय बर्थडे एंड आई वाज प्रीटी कंफ्यूज्ड एंड देन शी टोल्ड मी इफ आई वांट द Juvia's Place आई शैडो पैलेट एंड आई वाज लाइक वेट, आर यू किडिंग मी? Do you have Juvia's Place? And she's like, yeah, I can arrange it for you because Cuffs and Lashes पे अब high end makeup भी मिलता है. They sell Morphe. They also sell like a lot of brands. So she got me the Juvia's Place mini masquerade palette. This is what it looks like. Today I use this to do my eyeshadow, like this wine burgundy type of eyeshadow, and this is what I used. Literally इतना अच्छा फॉर्मूला, लाइक सुपर पिगमेंटेड, सुपर ब्लेंडेबल. एंड Juvia's Place इज लाइक अ वेरी फेमस ब्रांड एंड उनका ये जो पैलेट है ये सबसे ज़्यादा फेमस था. मेरे हाथ में भी जगह ही नहीं है, बट हियर यू गो. दिस वॉज सुपर ईजी टू यूज़. लाइक इसमें मुझे कोई फॉल आउट नहीं हुआ. मैंने बेस करने के बाद अपना आई मेकअप किया था, कोई फॉल आउट नहीं हुआ. इतने ईजीली ब्लेंड हो गया एंड यू नो आई लेड अ लॉट ऑफ कलर्स एंड जस्ट ब्लेंडेड एवरीथिंग इन सो दैट वो मुझे वाइन purplish type of look mile, and I think it turned out really amazing. You can find this on Cuffs and Lashes and this is an original product. I do have the outer packaging right here, so yeah, it's an original product. I really love this and this retails for 2699 if you are wondering इसका sale price क्या है. I think ये भी coming week में आ जाएगा, so in case you want to buy that. So thank you so much Nidhi, I really love my birthday gift and yeah, मैं इस eyeshadow palette को बहुत use करने वाली हूँ. I already know it, so thank you again. The last eyeshadow palette is this by Be Gorgeous Professional Maple Leaf eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like ऐसे autumn fall वाले leaves and everything, like ये story book जैसा लग रहा है. Now this retails for 1999 which is like almost 2000 rupees, but you get so many सुंदर, मतलब इतने ज़्यादा सुंदर eyeshadow shades. It has pastels, then again you have like these blues and everything, but मुझे ना ये पेस्टल टाइप के जो शेड्स है वो ही सबसे ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट किए. एंड अगेन ऑल ऑफ दीज आई शैडो पैलेट्स आर ऑफ रियली गुड क्वालिटी, सो यू विल गेट लाइक रियली गुड पे ऑफ. लाइक लुक एट दैट ब्लू यू गाइस, ओ माय गॉड आई एम शुक. ये क्या है? ओ माय गॉड, आई स्वॉच्ड दिस ब्लू शेड, इट्स कॉल्ड केली. मेरा तो मन कर रहा है मैं सारा निकाल के ये ब्लू शेड ही लगा लूँ बिकॉज that is insane. So you guys can just see the quality of the eyeshadow on your own and आपको लेना है नहीं लेना वो आपके ऊपर है. I just got the stuff from her and I am like super excited to show it to you guys क्योंकि ये सब देख के मैं खुद बहुत impress हो जाती हूँ and you know मैं बहुत excited हो जाती हूँ to create more looks. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Cuffs and Lashes this time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. मेरे पास actually और भी सामान है but I'll do a part 2 next time क्योंकि this video will be super long and I want you guys to take your time and decide आपको क्या चाहिए पहले बिफोर आई डू माई पार्ट 2. मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी अलॉन्ग विद माई लिपस्टिक, स्वेट शर्ट, आई शैडो तो बता ही दिया. सो या, दैट इज एवरीथिंग. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय बाय.